Did you know that something as simple and delicious as a slice of melon could hold the key to effortless weight loss? Yes, you heard that right. This juicy, refreshing fruit is not just a summer treat, it could be your new best friend in your weight loss journey. It sounds too good to be true, right? Many people are skeptical when they first hear about it. But what if I told you that this juicy fruit, bursting with flavor, is packed with nutrients that can boost your metabolism and help you shed those extra pounds? Watermelon, for instance, is over 90% water, making it incredibly hydrating and filling, which can help curb your appetite. Intrigued? Let's dive into the surprising world of melon and uncover its hidden health benefits. Melons are rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and amino acids, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy body and promoting weight loss. This isn't about restrictive diets or magic pills. It's about making smarter choices with the foods you eat. It's about embracing whole, natural foods that nourish your body from the inside out. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing melon smoothie or adding melon chunks to your salad for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Melon, with its refreshing taste and impressive nutritional profile, might just be the missing ingredient you've been searching for. It's low in calories, but high in essential nutrients, making it a perfect addition to any meal. Get ready to discover how this summer staple can transform your health, one delicious bite at a time. Whether you're enjoying it by the pool or at a family picnic, melons can be a delightful and healthy part of your diet. Melons, in all their varieties, are more than just a sweet treat. They are a gift from nature, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can supercharge your health. From boosting your immune system to protecting against chronic diseases, the benefits of incorporating melon into your diet are plentiful. But what exactly makes this fruit so special? The answer lies in its unique composition. Melons are low in calories and fat, making them an ideal snack for those watching their weight. They are also an excellent source of essential nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall well-being and can even help ward off certain health conditions. Let's break down the nutritional power of melon even further. These vibrant fruits are not only refreshing but also packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. 1 cup of cubed watermelon, for example, provides over 25% of your daily vitamin C needs. This juicy fruit is also a great source of hydration, as it is composed of over 90% water, making it perfect for hot summer days. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that strengthens your immune system, protects against cell damage, and promotes collagen production for healthy skin. Additionally, it helps in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which is vital for preventing anemia. Cantaloupe, another popular variety, is a good source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision, healthy skin, and a robust immune response. This melon also provides a significant amount of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. It also contains potassium, an electrolyte that regulates blood pressure and supports muscle function. Potassium is crucial for heart health and helps to balance the fluids in your body, reducing the risk of stroke. Honeydew melon, with its delicate sweetness, provides folate, a B vitamin crucial for cell growth and development, particularly during pregnancy. Folate is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, making it vital for overall health. Each variety of melon brings its unique set of nutrients to the table, making them a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. Whether you enjoy them on their own, in a fruit salad, or as part of a refreshing smoothie, melons are a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Now let's address the burning question: can melon truly aid in weight loss? The answer, backed by scientific evidence, is a resounding yes. Studies have shown that consuming foods with high water content, like watermelon, can increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Furthermore, the natural sugars in melon are digested slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels that can lead to cravings and overeating. This, combined with its low calorie and fat content, makes melon an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight effectively. By incorporating melon into a balanced diet and regular exercise regimen, you can support your weight loss journey and achieve sustainable results. Section 5. Melon Magic, unveiling the fountain of youth, one slice at a time. The benefits of melon extend beyond weight management and into the realm of beauty and anti-aging. Rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, melon helps combat free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. These antioxidants protect your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and UV radiation, preserving its youthful elasticity and radiance. Moreover, the high water content in melon keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So the next time you're looking for a natural way to enhance your glow, reach for a slice of this juicy fruit. Section 6. Happy Gut, Happy Life, How Melon Keeps Your Digestion in Check. A healthy gut is the cornerstone of overall well-being, and melon can play a significant role in maintaining its optimal function. While not particularly high in fiber compared to other fruits and vegetables, melon does contain a type of fiber called pectin. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. This in turn aids digestion, reduces bloating, and supports regular bowel movements. Additionally, the high water content in melon helps soften stool and prevent constipation, further contributing to a happy and healthy digestive system. Section 7. Melon Mania, when too much of a good thing can backfire. While melon offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation, like any other food. Eating large quantities of melon, especially on an empty stomach, can lead to digestive discomfort in some individuals. This is because melon digests quickly, and consuming it in excess can overwhelm the digestive system, causing bloating, gas, or diarrhea. Additionally, individuals with certain health conditions, such as diabetes, should monitor their melon intake due to its natural sugar content. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is always recommended to determine the appropriate portion size and frequency of melon consumption based on individual needs and health status. Section 8. Beyond the Slice, Creative Ways to Enjoy Melon. Now that we've explored the impressive health benefits of melon, let's move on to the fun part, enjoying its delicious versatility. While a simple slice of melon is always refreshing, there are countless creative ways to incorporate this fruit into your diet. One popular option is adding melon to smoothies. Its naturally sweet flavor pairs well with leafy greens, berries, and other fruits, creating a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink. Another idea is to incorporate melon into salads. Its juicy texture and sweetness add a delightful contrast to savory ingredients like feta cheese, nuts, and balsamic vinegar. For a quick and easy snack, try freezing cubed melon for a healthy and hydrating treat. Section 9. From salad to smoothie, delicious and healthy melon recipes. Melons are not only refreshing and hydrating but also packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. Ready to get creative in the kitchen? Let's explore some fun and easy ways to incorporate melons into your meals. Here are a few delicious and healthy melon recipes to tantalize your taste buds. Watermelon feta salad. This dish is perfect for a light lunch or a side dish at your next barbecue. Combine cubed watermelon, crumbled feta cheese, chopped fresh mint, and a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a refreshing and satisfying salad. The sweet and savory combination is sure to be a hit. Cantaloupe smoothie. Blend together cantaloupe, Greek yogurt, honey, and a handful of spinach for a creamy and nutritious breakfast or snack. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with protein and vitamins to kickstart your day. Honeydew melon popsicles. Puree honeydew melon and pour into popsicle molds for a healthy and hydrating treat on a hot day. These popsicles are perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a sweet and cooling relief from the summer heat. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Melons are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes from appetizers to desserts. Don't be afraid to experiment and find new and exciting ways to enjoy the deliciousness of melon. Whether you're making a salad, smoothie, or popsicle, the possibilities are endless. Section 10. Embrace the melon. A sweet step towards a healthier you. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion and even enhancing your skin's radiance, the humble melon proves to be a nutritional powerhouse. Its low calorie and fat content, combined with its high water and nutrient content, makes it an ideal fruit for those seeking to improve their overall health and well-being. So the next time you're looking for a delicious and nutritious snack, reach for a slice of melon. Embrace its versatility, experiment with different varieties, and discover the countless ways this juicy fruit can contribute to a healthier and happier you. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring.